everybody, Chad Woolsey, my favorite cousin Cooper Knowles here with the Knowles Woolsey team, Remax Hallmark J. Welcome to 1210 Leslie Drive. We got a real beauty here for you. About 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms up, 3 baths, backing onto green space.
You got it, Chad. And what a fantastic location we have here. We're surrounded by lots of great shops, schools, a marina, and some beaches. Now, enough about the location. Come on inside and let's have a look.
Great floor plan, stainless steel appliances. You have a nice dining room to the right, flows into the living room, all overlooking the backyard.
This master bedroom checks off all the boxes. We got a huge ensuite bathroom, a big walk-in closet, and lots of room to fit your king-size bed.
Loving the backyard here, lots of nature. You can even hear the birds chirping. Tweet, tweet. Absolutely. You got 2 covered cabanas, you got a deck, you got a patio, not to mention a shed as well.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.